Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be doing a nap time clean with me. So my son Dawson is down for a nap. He's been napping. His naps have been really short lately, so I'm really hoping that I can get a lot done in this time, but I'm basically going to be racing against him and trying to see how much I can get done before he wakes up. So hopefully he at least gives me like an hour. Let's cross our fingers, because the house is a disaster. So I have quite a bit to do. So yeah, I'm just going to show you what the house looks like and let's hang out and clean. If you have some stuff to do, get up off your butt and clean along with me. Or if you're just using this for motivation, that's totally fine. Grab your cup of coffee, throw me up on your TV, watch me, and then get up afterwards and clean with me. Okay, you guys, so this piece of plywood is staying there because Dawson has been getting into my books lately and ripping them off, so we're at that fun stage of life. So that's been staying there. It looks really lovely, I know. And then we've been using this baby gate as a pen for Penny, our new puppy. We've just had her for a month now. But that's kind of been her little crate. We're gonna actually just get a crate for her. We weren't sure if we were gonna get a crate or not, but this has been working in the meantime. So we've got toys out. We have our carpet cleaner up here because we have a puppy. And not too bad over here. Just need to clean up the blankets. I did want to, at some point today, carpet clean or steam clean our couch. It just needs it. It's time. So maybe we can do that a little bit later, maybe after Dawson wakes up, if I have some time. But yeah, over here we've got clothes that need to be hung up, outdoor gear. We've got books that came from me. This is my boyfriend's Christmas present to me. He just gave me money and I wanted new books for Christmas, and I just went online and ordered a whole bunch of books. So now I have to wait until Christmas to open them up, but that's like, I'm so excited. Anyways, we got stuff from lunch. We just got basically crap everywhere. We got to clean up from lunch. We got dishes to do. In my bedroom, I have laundry to do. I'll take you my bedroom next. We want to tidy up in there. So, of course, I'm going to be quiet because Dawson's room is right there. I don't want to wake him up. But, of course, I have to clean this off. Got Christmas presents there. I just have everything everywhere. I have to rewash this laundry. I have more laundry there. It's just never ending. Make my bed. Maybe sweep the floors. It's just a never-ending disaster. So I think I'm going to start in the living room because I feel like there's a little bit less to do in there, and then I can like get some momentum going. I'll feel better because I'll have a room done, and then I can work on maybe the dining room and then the kitchen. Okay, so like I said earlier, I'm going to go ahead and get started in the living room, and I'm just going to be tidying up the couch here. There wasn't a whole lot that I needed to get done in here. Basically just tidying up my couch, pushing the couch cushions back in, readjusting all the throw pillows because of course whenever you have young kids, I don't even know why I bother with throw pillows. They just end up on the floor anyway, but for those like few minutes in the day when your kids like go to bed or before they wake up in the morning, it really makes your couch look nice. As far as the rest of the day when they're all over the floor, I mean, that's a different story, but whatever, I digress. Anyways, I also want to let you guys know here really quickly, while I'm just recording this voiceover, my kids and my dog are playing in the next room and they're really loud, so I apologize if you hear that. I know you guys probably don't care, but I just wanted to mention that in case you can hear them in the background because I know they're just being crazy. So gonna go ahead and finish up by picking up all the toys and doing a quick vacuum in here, and so we can move on to the next room.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love.
Wait.
Oh,
We didn't get very much done.
don't you see
We
what's
didn't get
wrong
very
with
much
me?
done.
I need somebody to love.
Yeah, you did that.
Oh, no, no.
She's awake. We got the living room for the most part done, and I was just starting on the dining room, so. Oh well.
When you don't have to. There's so much that I still keep
That's
it
good.
to myself. 'Cause you don't listen.
So while I have him here, while I do the vacuum in the living room, I didn't want
When
to
I see
vacuum.
you, my heart
So I
starts
worried I'd wake
racing.
him up.
I don't know
So
if
we
I
will
like
be
this
back.
chasing
And I will let him play here again and mess it all back up while I finish
It's a shame that my
the
hands
kitchen
start
and the
shaking
dining.
all of the time when you're around me.
So Penny is starting to get used to the vacuum, but she really does not like it. So I try to do it with my back to her. That seems to help quite a bit. But she still, she does not like it. She just starts barking and trying to attack the vacuum. So I don't know if that's something that's going to change. Hopefully it will, because this mama vacuums a lot. But she's doing pretty good in this video. Sometimes she's good with it, sometimes she's not. And as you can see, she just ran away. So she's over it already. But I was finally able to get the vacuum done now that Dawson is awake. And now I'm going to carry on into the dining room. So I'm just tidying up this table and making some space so that I can fold some laundry later, because I have tons of laundry to do today as well. That's not going to be in this video, but I ended up doing quite a bit of laundry later on that night. So I've been folding laundry in my kitchen lately. I used to just like sit on the floor and do it while watching TV, but of course now with Penny, she like thinks it's a game. So anytime I'm sitting on the floor and trying to fold laundry, she just tries to attack it. So so I've just started doing it on the kitchen table, and that's kind of been my new spot to fold laundry, and it's working out fine.
There's a storm coming, and I need a hand to hold, with the fear of being here on my own, where the wind's blowing and the leaves they turn to gold, like they did with you those summers ago.
So I can't remember, I think I told you guys in one other video that I've put out recently, but our dishwasher has actually broken. So I've been hand washing dishes for the past like almost a month now, I want to say. So that's been different, because I've been really used to having a dishwasher, but we don't want to get it fixed or put any money into it, because we are in the process of doing home renovations, and we're going to be completely renovating our kitchen, and we'll be getting a new dishwasher. So I'm just like, I'll just suck it up for the next few months until we get that process going and and get a new one. So I've just been hand washing dishes, and I'm going to be hand washing in a little bit today as well. But I noticed as I took that garbage out that my garbage can was actually pretty disgusting, so I wanted to go ahead and give it a good Lysol wipe down, change the garbage out, and then just clear off the counters, get the dishes done. You guys know how it goes.
Years ago, when sleeping next to you was usual, I'd rather spend a lifetime on my own than ever been in love those years ago. There's a storm coming, I am ready for the cold. I'll be better when the summer's gone. Now the wind's blowing, and I'm right back here again. It might take a while, but I understand that I keep thinking about those years ago, when sleeping next to you was usual. I'd rather spend a lifetime on is all I know.
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, we'd be something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kissed me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out.
Okay, so now I'm just going to take you guys quickly into my bedroom. I just moved out my little side rug there that I have. And I'm just going to give a quick vacuum in here because, of course, it's one of those rugs that's like fur, like faux fur rugs, and just everything gets so trapped in there and it's impossible to get out. So you just kind of shake it and then all this like dirt comes out of it. So wanted to give a quick vacuum in there. Then I'm just going to basically tidy up. My boyfriend pulled out one of his drawers and it broke at the corner. And it's just like a cheap little dresser. So I just went ahead and duct taped it back together and it's working fine now. I'm telling you guys, like, it just seems like everything in this house is breaking at once. But anyways, so we're going to go ahead and get rid of some of this laundry that I had on my bed. And I'm going to go ahead and just tidy up the bed and make it nice and just do general cleaning. I have so much laundry that I have to do later. I probably should have just made a whole like laundry video. I was really thinking at the time I should have just done that because I definitely had enough laundry to do that.
I know that we would never work. I know that someone would get hurt. I think I have to let you go. Should be easy, but it's not. 'Cause the problem is I love you. What to do? I count to 3 when you're next to me. I love you. What to do now? Do now. Only problem is I love you. What to do? You got me bound. Make my world spin round. I love you. What to do now? I want you.
All right, you guys, well, we are now nearing the end of the video, so I just wanted to pop back on here really quickly and say thank you so much for hanging out with me today, especially if you are here to the end of the video. Just know that I really appreciate you sticking around for the whole video, and I hope that I was able to inspire you to get up and get some cleaning done, because I know sometimes, especially around this time of year, it can be really hard to stay motivated and actually get what you need to get done. So hopefully you were able to get something crossed off your list today. Yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite chore is. Just, you know, something different. Let me know what your favorite chore around the house is. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
About to leave,
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.